Keeping your little ones safe during a family road trip is about a lot more than just telling them to buckle up. It is about using a dedicated child safety seat that is engineered specifically for their developing bodies. In the United States, the law is very clear that any child under 57 inches tall or weighing less than 80 pounds must be secured in an appropriate car seat or booster seat. These seats are designed with a specialized shell and energy-absorbing foam that acts as a protective cocoon in the event of a crash. Unlike adult seat belts, which can actually cause internal injuries to a small child during an impact, a proper child seat distributes those massive forces across the strongest parts of their body, like their hips and shoulders. If you have an infant under 1 year old, they must always be in a rear-facing seat, because that position provides the best possible support for their head and neck during a sudden stop. Once they get older and heavier, usually around 20 or 30 pounds depending on the specific seat model, you can transition them to a forward-facing seat with a 5-point harness. Most modern vehicles are equipped with the latch system, which stands for lower anchors and tethers for children, making it much easier to get a rock-solid installation without struggling with the seat belts. It might seem like a hassle to swap these seats between cars, but the peace of mind you get knowing your most precious cargo is protected by decades of safety engineering is worth every second of effort.